What's going on, guys? Today I got a super awesome video for y'all. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use a penetrating fluid or penetrating oil that actually works. This video is going to demonstrate why this product is #1 on the market. You guys stick around and take a look at this one. Guys, I got a super special guest. He's with Kimball Midwest. His name's Keith Palmer. He's our sales rep here at the shop. He's going to show you about some awesome penetrating fluid that actually works.
This is our Torque CB penetrating fluid. It is a corrosion blasting formula. We freeze your fasteners up, take away your corrosion, penetration moisture, because most of the time on penetrating oil, most thing you want it to do, get through the water, get it to the corrosion, and let it free your fasteners.
Alright guys, we're going to set up a little demo and let you guys take a look at how awesome this stuff is and how great it works. So y'all take a look at this.
And what we're going to do here, we got 3 major penetrating oils: your PB Blaster, WD-40, and this is your Schaefer Penetro 90, and this is our Kimball Midwest Torque CB. We have here set up 3 cups with water, styrofoam cup, basically compressed grease. So we're going to put some of each. That's your PB Blast. There's your WD-40.
Let me show you guys what this looks like in here.
And what you're seeing is you're seeing these products basically just sitting on top of the water, not penetrating through, not going into the grease. This is your Penetro 90 Schaefer.
All right, so we got PB Blast, WD-40, and Schaefer's Penetro.
Now we're going to take each one at a time. You're taking just a small amount of the Torque CB. First, we're going to go with the PB Blast. You can see still sitting on the water. Just that quick. It goes through the PB Blast, through the water, and into the cup. That's basically cutting your grease. Take your residue. You still see how it cut into the cup. Now it's PB Blast. We still have WD-40 and the Penetrol sitting over here. So we'll take another small amount. Still see WD-40 floating on the water.
Eat right through.
Yeah, so you see it go through. And last, we're going to take the Penetrol. It's been sitting there a longer amount of time. Still is not penetrated. And the same effect. So what you basically have is 1 can of the Torque CB that is an 18-ounce can that would do more work than 4 these 3 together, or 3 times these amounts. You can probably use 3 of these cans, if not more, versus 1 can of your Torque CB to get the same job done.
You want to talk about where they can buy it and how much it is per can and all that good stuff?
We have this, we do have an online site. It's KimballMidwest.com. These come in a case of 12 or a case of 6. They're $8.49 for a case of 12 per can and $8.99 for a case of 6 per can. And like I said, you can also go online to KimballMidwest.com. It also has a place there that says find a rep. If you're in an area, y'all can look on there and it can show you your nearest representative that can also give you numbers to get in touch with him, that he can get back with you and show you all the line of Kimball Midwest.
Right. Not just penetrating oil or, I mean, we got a heck of a bolt bin over here that you guys can see there. What all else do y'all specialize in?
We
carrying?
keep electrical connectors. We do your DOT brake line brass. We have those. We have the Parker composites in those. We keep electrical wiring. We have other chemicals as far as lubricants, penetrants, cleaners. We keep all your shop supplies, hand cleaners. We have cutting tools as far as all drill bits, grinding wheels, cutoff wheels, multiple different types of those, ceramics in those grinding wheels. We keep 49,000 parts in stock.
Wow.
So, you know, you can look online and see what with that, but that's our in-stock catalog with availability of another 550,000 to a special parts division.
That's awesome. All right, guys, that's our video today. That shows you what the Kimball Midwest Torque CB penetrating oil can do versus everything else we could throw at it. Anyway, like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.